Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the large incidents on your map on the EPA AirNow application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the smoke button at the lower right corner of the screen. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And you go to the layer icon at the upper right corner of the screen. In the fire information section, you can find the first option, the large incidents, and if you want to display on your map, just click to the white square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.